Logitech G413 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Roma G with USB pass-through, UK layout, Carbon. The Roma G mechanical switch is purpose-built for pro-grade performance, responsiveness and durability. Precision key lighting. Roma G is also purpose-designed for precise and clean lighting through the keycap. Keys are always visible and never distracting, especially during night gaming sessions. Aircraft-grade aluminium alloy. Minimal design and balanced with a full set of features. With a focus on high-end finish and performance, G413 is crafted from the high-grade materials. USB pass-through. Convenience and speed are directly within reach. The additional, dedicated USB cable connects the USB pass-through port to its own input for 100% power throughput and data speed. Full function keys. Function, FN, keys let you control volume, play and pause, skip track, mute, toggle lighting, enter game mode. G413 is packed with the features gamers need with the simple design. 6 feet cable. Roma G is the stealth assassin of mechanical gaming keyboard switches. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.